Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. Question A. Limit s approach to number 1 on the left. On the left, that is about this one. So because number 1 in here is smaller than number 1, so we just put number 1 in here. 1 minus 1 square with the square root, and you got about number 0. Question B. S approach to number 2 on the left. On the left, that is about this one. So because it's smaller than number 2, so we see that that is about number 1. So the limit equals to number 1. Question C. S approach to number 1. If we want to find this limit, we need to find the value of limit of s approach to number 1 on the left and on the right. So on the left, that is about this one. We just calculate in here. On the right, that is about of this one. S is greater than or equals to number 1. So this one we have number 1. Because the limit on the left equals to number 0 and the limit on the right equals to number 1. So we see that number 0 is not same with number 1. So we can say the limit does not exist. This is the end. Thank you for watching.